In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear and start over in the Tax Tools menu if you need to reset your return and begin again from the start. This process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow, and I'll also point out what to watch for before you confirm anything. To begin, look over to the left side of the screen and open the left menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for your return. If the menu is already visible, you can move right on to the next part. If it's collapsed or hidden, just expand it so you can see the available sections clearly. Once the left menu is open, find Tax Tools and click on it. This section contains several utility options that help you manage your return beyond the normal filing steps. After Tax Tools opens, select Tools. This will bring up a panel with additional actions and settings related to your tax return. Inside that Tools area, look for the option labeled Clear and Start Over. When you click this, the system will begin the reset process for your current return. This option is typically used when you want to erase your progress and re-enter everything from scratch. So make sure that's really what you want to do before moving ahead. Take a moment here to understand what this means. Clearing and starting over usually removes the information you've already entered in the return, which can save time if your entries are incorrect or if you want a completely fresh start, but it also means your existing progress may no longer be available. If there's anything you may want to reference later, it's a good idea to review it before confirming the reset. After selecting Clear and Start Over, follow any on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. Read the confirmation message carefully so you know exactly what will be removed. Once confirmed, the return should reset, allowing you to begin again from the beginning. That's all there is to it. Open the left menu, go to Tax Tools, choose Tools, and then click Clear and Start Over. If you're following along on your own screen, just move carefully through each selection and read each message before confirming. That way, you can reset your return confidently and avoid any surprises.